Yes. Express yourself. Everyone should be able to express themselves freely. Free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Nature, Ellis, I say, free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Yeah. We need free speech so that the messenger can teach. So the people realize their crooked lies. Free up your messenger so Jaja words can reach ya. Free up your messenger, messenger of truths and rights. Yeah. Free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Yeah. Free the dumb. Yeah. Freedom. Yeah. Free the dumb. You should be free to speak. Yeah. Free like a Marcos speech, like the Whalers lyrics. Free like Malcolm X and Martin Luther King's speech. So many lose their lives because they speak the truth. Malcolm X and Martin Luther King got execute, but still we have to free the dumb. Yeah. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Nature, Ellis, I say, free the dumb. Yeah. Freedom. Free the dumb. You should be free to speak. Yeah. Yes, the Orthodox teach so you can learn. Yes, the Bubble Man teach so you can learn. Yes, the Bingy Man teach so you can learn. Yes, the 12 tribe teach so you can learn. Free the dumb. Freedom. Free the dumb so that they can speak. Yeah. Free the dumb. Yeah. Freedom. Free the dumb. You should be free to speak. Yeah. Yeah. It's a Jah Rastafari.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.